Hi, this is Marco with eDirectory, and welcome to the Getting Started video series. In this edition, we'll cover setting up and managing your categories. Before we get started, a few things to keep in mind. It's important that you define your categories prior to importing or adding any listings or content. This way the system will know where to assign the newly created listings. The categories you define for listings will also apply to the deals engine for a smoother operation between listing owners and the special deals that they share with your community. You have the option to define unique categories for events, articles, classifieds, and your blog, making each of these features on your eDirectory site operate in a tailored fashion for a better user experience. There are two ways to add categories, both manually and in bulk, and we'll cover both. Okay, so let's get started. The categories will be displayed interactively in two places. On the home page with the Categories widget allowing users to browse by featured category, for example, links along the page, or searched via the search module on the home page so your users can find what they're looking for quickly and easily. Now let's go into the Site Manager and take a look. We'll start by clicking on the Content Manager, then Manage Categories. Let's cover the manual edition of categories and subcategories first by clicking Add Category. You'll add the title of your category here with up to 10 searchable keywords per category, which really helps the system learn more about the relevance of categories and how they relate to your other members within the directory. Just be sure to hit return after each keyword is listed. You can also add an image for your category that will automatically display on the homepage widget with ideal image sizes for your convenience. You also have the option to make this a featured category or disable it entirely once live if you wish. When the user selects among the categories listed on your site in the Categories widget or searches by category, this description will appear to give the user a better understanding of the category, as seen on this example website. With the Custom Content Editor, you have plenty of options for personalization as well. And with the Seo Center here, you can do things like add in a search-friendly page title, page description, and keyword-rich content and meta keywords. What's great is you can add SEO information per category page to help the search engines better understand and crawl your site, as well as for external search relevance for a more tailored visitor journey. Next, just save your category. Once you have an active category, you can create a subcategory as well. The setup for subcategories is very similar to the category setup. Now let's cover adding categories in bulk by clicking Add Multiple Categories. Get started adding not only your top level categories, but your sub-level categories all the way to 5 sub-level categories. You can do this as many times as needed and it can be updated as often as you'd like. Just keep in mind you need to have your categories predefined before importing or adding any members, listings, or content. Okay, well that about wraps up our coverage of adding categories. If you have any questions or need assistance, please submit a support ticket, start a chat on the website, or email support@edirectory.com and a member of our success team will be happy to assist you. Thank you for tuning in to the Adding Categories video, and I'll see you in the next one.